Who I love for compassion and as a friend and as family would be my mom, for sure. All of my friends, because they support me so much. Who do I love and why? Why my friend? Because they accept me for who I am. I do the same for them, and it's the best relationship you can have in the world when you just accept people how they are and they accept you feel free, and it's a never like fight relationship. So my friends, my best friend Mathieu, Maxime, Camille, Marine, Charlotte, and that's it, I think. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and Corbac. Sorry, Corbac. And my boyfriend Chris.